Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Sorry for the quality, but I'm trying to shoot sunrise today. I woke up at 4 and I came here to shoot the sunrise. There was supposed to be a super clear sky this morning, and I wanted to try to get some mountain glow, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to get that. I think that the weather forecast tricked me a little bit, so we shall see. I'm gonna keep you guys posted, but for now it's a bit too dark to be filming, so see you guys in a bit. I know you cannot see much yet, but from now on it's just a patience game. The sun is rising slowly. I have one camera over here with a long lens, 70-200, and I have a smaller camera over there with a 24-70. Hopefully to do a time lapse once the light will come stronger and see how it goes. I'm actually doing a time lapse now, but I don't think it's going to be anything special. There are not many clouds or anything around, so yeah, I'm just doing it to see how it comes out. But once the light really comes out, I'm hoping to do one. We're still in blue hour right now, and the sunrise should be within 20 minutes. So hopefully the golden hour is going to be pretty soon. So far, I've just been standing here and waiting for something to happen. So we shall see. Well, as expected, and as my luck with this channel, it doesn't look I'm going to get any light in the mountains. There are way too many clouds where the sun is, so I didn't see any. I didn't get the mountain glow I was hoping for. Yesterday I saw the mountain glow around 7 o'clock, so it's within 5 minutes. I'm really not very hopeful for this, but well, we'll see. So, the morning was a bust. Tomorrow, we're supposed to have no clouds in the sky. Oops, keep falling down like yesterday. So tomorrow we're not supposed to have any clouds in the sky, like today. It was not really the case. So I decided to come back here to try to shoot the sunset. But as you can see, it's very hazy, and I don't think I'm gonna do anything good. I brought my 2 cameras and 2 tripods. Maybe I'll do a time lapse if it clears a little bit. We will see how it is. Really not catching a break on this trip of mine. Yesterday you might have noticed that I kind of rushed the finish of the video. The thing was that I spent around 2 kilometers hiking. That took me around 2 hours, and the reason being that I didn't bring my snowshoes because the guy in the car park said that the trails were clean and they were fine, and I was pretty much sinking every single step of the way until my waist. Every time I gave a step, I was not even able to pull myself up. Sometimes I had to get some tree help. At some point I had to actually put my camera away because I couldn't be holding it and hiking at the same time, so I kind of got pissed off and super frustrated. So by the time I reached the second lake, I wasn't in any mood to shoot anything. In that time when I reached there was very high winds as well, so it wasn't great to take pictures. The sun kind of set it behind the mountain, so I didn't have great light. I could have fixed that with some longer exposure, that wouldn't be the problem, but I really didn't feel any photograph at that moment. Even though I took the 12mm for that specific lake and to take that picture, I didn't take it because the conditions weren't right, and because in the end I was frustrated. I was very tired from all the hike. I ended up hiking for 9 hours altogether, and it was a little bit too much, and carrying all the gear to do the videos and to do all this, it takes a long time, and stopping to do the videos. So I apologize for the rush on the end of that video, but well, that's life, and that's how landscape photography is sometimes, and this apparently it's my life lately. I go to places and I never get what I want. Even like yesterday we had a beautiful sunset, and today I don't know what we're gonna have, so I'll catch you guys in a few minutes and see how this is progressing. So see you in a bit. As expected, it's still too hazy. I don't think anything is going to change, but I have something in mind, so if it will work, I'm going to definitely show you guys. So, as expected, it sucked. Didn't take any Good pictures, I think. Not really what I was hoping for the sunset, so hopefully tomorrow morning the sunrise is going to be good, and with clear skies I'm going to wake up at 4 in the morning again to try to capture what I didn't manage to capture today. So see you guys later, and maybe I'll include the video of tomorrow in this video. Let's go. Good morning guys, another 4 a.m. wake up. Let's go and wait for attempt number 2, trying to get the mountain glow on the top. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. According to the forecast, it's supposed to be good, so we shall see. So it's 15 minutes to the sunrise. Here looks very promising, but over there, where the sun is rising, I have no idea. I don't have a view to that place. So hopefully there is no clouds over there, and the mountain glow color will come in 15 or 20 minutes. Let's hope for the best. So second day and nothing. I saw the mountain glow on the first day, all that oranges and pink colors, but yesterday we didn't have anything, and today we don't have anything either. As you guys can see, it's already pretty yellow, so the sun is already too high, and I don't believe that it's gonna change. You have some light on the peaks, but not the real color that I was hoping for. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys later.